Hey guys, it's Daphne from DigiDaph Academy, and today I am going to show you how to create your own online t-shirt or print-on-demand business in less than 1 hour. I hope you guys are ready. Make sure you are distraction-free. You can stop and practice, but make sure you guys are ready to go, okay? So here we go. All right, guys, so we want to first get started by finding our platform we will host our website on. There are several platforms out there. I typically use Shopify or WordPress using WooCommerce, but there's also another tool, Squarespace and Big Cartel. We're going to use Big Cartel in this because it is the most user-friendly tool, and it is absolutely free for your first 5 products. So there is absolutely no reason why you shouldn't launch your store after going through this training with me. So the first thing we are going to do is go to bigcartel.com. Simply select Open Your Store. And you can select the free one, which is 5 products for free. And then you go through the setup process. So you guys go ahead and take your time and go ahead and do your setup. And I'll do the same. I created a sample store already, so I will give you guys a moment to go in and create your store. Okay, so you've created your account. I went ahead and did some of the things you need to set up your actual store. So you would want to go in and put your email, and it will say maintenance mode, and you want to edit your shop. If you want to use a custom domain name, then you can do that. For this, we left it the way it is. For the customized design, you can go in here and to your left, you can select a different theme. So if you don't have any coding experience, you see all of these themes to the left. You can select any one, and you can change the colors and the images. So the one I selected is here already, and then we click on the little what is this, a wrench, and you customize it. So you add your logo, and for this was a sample store that I did for a teen entrepreneur. So we selected our theme that we would like. Here I created a logo in Canva for the sample shop, and I upload that logo here and the welcome image, which you guys see here. This product was automatically integrated because of the third party that we are going to use today for this training. So you don't even have to worry about creating the products within Big Cartel, because it will automatically be created once you set up your account. So you can go in and edit all of the colors and, make the changes that you would like. And then you can add additional pages here. We have the products, the contact page. You can add maybe an about page or other pages that you would like to have on your website. Hit save and then exit. And you definitely want to, you have to have a location. You want to have your billing set up as well, and how you would get your payments. So once you guys do that, you are all set on this portion. And then we will go over to Printful.com or Printify. I like both. And you will create an account. And as you guys can see, this is showing one of my sample stores. And let's see which one this is. Once you create your account on Printful.com, you will go in and add your payment information. So your payment information that is required so that when a person makes a purchase on your store, you will automatically pay for that product that they create, and they will ship it to you. So that's the cool thing about using Printful or Printify. Once a person places an order, you don't have to worry about shipping anything. The service automatically ships it. But you do need to be in mind, bear in mind that the pricing, when you do the pricing, and we'll get to that portion, that shipping is not included in the pricing that you will see. So you want to make sure you price your product accordingly. So once you have everything set up, you have your payment processor set up, you can go in. Now, if you want to add products or add something to your packaging, you can actually ship products for a fee to Printful. Maybe, well, people don't do CDs anymore, but what if you were a music artist and you want people to get your CD, then you can ship your CDs or keychains or information like that. You can ship that, and they will include it in the packaging. So once you've created your account, you can go over to your dashboard, which is where we are right now, and it will show you all the information. Like I said, this is one of the many sample sites. I always create a sample site, and that's probably like not the wisest thing to do every time. So let's see here. So this is the last store that I created for this particular training video, and I went in. As you can see, we have one product, and I want to show you guys on the store so you can see it here. It's loading. This is the one product that one of my students came up with, this Jaguar they wanted to use, and as you guys can see here, this is the product. Okay, and it appears right here. So we have two different color options for it. So I want to show you guys how to create a product or add a product to your store. What you will need to do is integrate your store. So there will be an option. Let me go back. When you click on stores, you can go to choose platform, and this is where you would choose Big Cartel and set that up. And once you do that, it will be smooth sailing. Once you put your products in here, it'll automatically go to Big Cartel. So let's go back to our sample store here, and we are going to add a product. So we're simply going to select add product, and you can add accessories. You can add like jewelry, laptop cases, face mask, socks, fanny packs, flip-flops, you name it. You can add it to your store and customize it. If you want to do maybe a pillow or a poster or a bean bag or postcards or an apron or towels or mugs or even stickers. So the sky's the limit. Since the website that we did is a teen t-shirt site, I am thinking we are going to add, let's add another t-shirt. And you can do women's sizes or men's/unisex. I typically do unisex, and I'll just put in the description that it is a unisex shirt. Or maybe I'll do a hoodie. It is getting a little cooler outside, so I'll select that. If you want to do shorts or boxers or joggers, they do have that option. So for this one, we're going to use the hoodie. And I look at the pricing. So guys, this is the price for them to produce the shirt or the hoodie for you. So bear in mind, with a price like this, I'll probably price the hoodie at like maybe $45 or more. So I don't always go with the cheapest one, but for this one I am, because I know that this is actually a pretty decent quality hoodie. Here you guys can see the options. You can do embroidery, or you can do the actual printing, like the screen print, and you can select all the colors. So if you want to have every color option, you can for your store, or if you just want to offer certain colors. So I am going to do a black hoodie and a gray hoodie and maybe a white. All right, so these are the options I'm going to have for it. Now, you can design this within here, or you can use different tools. If you have a graphic designer that already made a graphic for you, you can upload it here. All you have to do is select choose file, or you can add just text if it's just a text-based shirt, or you can add some clip art or a premium image. I have several graphics already created, so I'm just going to pick one from my library, and I can pick one from any of my old stores. So I'm thinking I'll just pull one here. I don't like any of this. Let's see. Let's do Christmas is coming up. We'll do the dabbing reindeer. So I select the file. Like I said, whether it's a file that's on your computer or you design right here, it's totally up to you. Now it's still loading. So you have this little box that'll show you your print area, so you can make sure you don't actually print outside of the area. See how it gives us that warning that part of the print is outside of the print area, so I just adjust it accordingly. And you can actually also add graphics on the back, the outside label, the left sleeve, and the right sleeve. It does cost a little more to do that, so for this one we're just going to simply do a print on the front. Once we've done that, here you can see the print quality. It says it's good. Good is great. You'll also see average. I typically like to stick with anything that says good. Sometimes I'll use average if I just can't get that sizing, but you want to have the highest resolution that you can possibly have. So then we'll hit proceed to mockups. And you can select maybe a lifestyle mock-up if you don't want a picture of people. There are other tools that I use for mock-ups because sometimes I don't necessarily like the mock-ups that they offer here. I use a service called Place It, but it is not free. But for this one, we are going to just choose this lifestyle flat lay and move forward. So as I mentioned, remember this is a unisex product, so I am just going to name this Dabbing Rudolph. Well, no, I'll put reindeer. What? Oh, I almost put like why did I just misspell reindeer? Excuse me. Long day. So then in the description I will probably put this unisex hoodie is perfect for a casual day around the holidays. And you can say whatever you want on here. So that's totally up to you. So we can proceed to pricing. As you can see, the shipping and taxes are extra. So this tells you how much it costs for just the product, okay? So we can go in here and we can say we want to increase the price by a certain number, or we can change the price to a specific number. Well, we could change the profit too. So say we want to have a $25 profit. So we'll change it to $25. So now everything will be priced, every size will be priced so that I could get a $25 profit. Now remember that shipping is not included, but this should be enough to cover that shipping rate. I do want you guys to be mindful though, when it comes to the sizes that are larger than a 2X or larger than an XL, the price changes, but you could go in and manually change the price if you want all of them to just be the same price and you just don't make as much money on the larger sizes, which is what I typically do, simply because I don't want anyone to feel any, you know, type of way because it's priced more because they are a little bit larger. I'm one of those quote unquote politically correct type of people, but you may not be, so you may not care about that, but it's truly because they're using more material, and that's the reality of it. But you can go in and edit the pricing, and then you can select submit to store, and then in a few minutes or a few seconds, you see down here, you scroll down, it's generating it. It's uploading. Now we can go back to our store and our new product should be there. Look at that. Our new product is there. You have successfully created a product, but I want to show you now how to create graphics if you don't already have any graphics designed. So stay tuned to the next portion of the video.